If you're thinking about buying from Ora Foods Inc., operating as Manukora, there are a few things you need to know before pulling the trigger. You've probably heard about their famous Manuka honey, but how does it stack up compared to the competition? Stick around because we're going to dive deep into what sets Manukora apart, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's the right choice for you. First up, let's talk about authenticity. Manukora has built its reputation around producing 100% raw, unpasteurized Manuka honey sourced from New Zealand. Now, Manuka honey is famous for its health benefits, including supporting immune function and promoting digestive health. The thing is, not all Manuka honey is created equal, and that's where Manukora shines. They're transparent about their sourcing and production process, which gives them a leg up over competitors that don't offer the same level of detail or commitment to quality. Next thing you need to consider is the UMF certification. This is a crucial factor when buying Manuka honey. The UMF, Unique Manuka Factor rating, indicates the strength and quality of the honey. Manukora's honey is certified with a UMF rating of 10 plus to 20 plus, which ensures its potency. Many competitors may offer honey with a similar rating, but it's the transparency and traceability of Manukora's product that really makes a difference. With Manukora, you can track the honey back to the specific hive, something you won't always get with other brands. The third thing to note is their product range. While many brands stick to just the honey, Manukora has expanded their offerings to include skincare products that incorporate Manuka honey as well. These products claim to leverage the natural healing properties of honey, especially for skin irritations and hydration. This broadens the appeal of their brand beyond just health-conscious consumers, into those looking for natural skincare alternatives. Next, let's talk about pricing. Manuka honey is generally expensive, no matter the brand, but Manukora positions itself competitively in the market. Their prices are slightly higher than some budget options, but when you consider the quality and the certification that comes with it, it's easy to see why. What really sets them apart here is their subscription service, which offers discounts and regular deliveries, making it easier for you to stay stocked up on your honey without constantly worrying about prices. The fifth thing you should know is their commitment to sustainability. Manukora has made strides in minimizing their environmental impact. They use recyclable packaging and are committed to supporting New Zealand's beekeeping industry, which is critical to the sustainability of Manuka honey production. This is something that not all brands in the space can say, and it's worth considering if sustainability is important to you. The sixth thing you need to think about is the customer experience. Manukora has an excellent reputation for customer service, with quick responses to inquiries and satisfaction guarantees that give buyers peace of mind. Many competitors fall short here, leaving customers frustrated with long response times or vague policies. Manukora's transparency and customer-first approach is another reason they stand out in the crowded honey market. Finally, we can't forget to mention the taste. After all, you're buying Manuka honey for the experience and the health benefits. Manukora's honey has a rich, earthy taste with a smooth texture that sets it apart from some other brands that can be more bitter or grainy. This makes it not just a health supplement but a luxury food item as well. So, if you're considering buying from Ora Foods Inc., DBA Manukora, now you know what to expect. Whether it's their commitment to quality, sustainable practices, or their superior customer service, Manukora offers a unique product in the Manuka honey space. If you want to try out Manukora for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best deal and some exclusive benefits. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.